Yeah, hello guys, it's Kale. Yeah, look outside right now. It's actually a snowstorm. Look at this. Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. Yeah, it's actually April. It's actually April, and it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing around my street. Look at this. Holy crap! I don't know if you can see over my rubbish camera. It's literally chucking it down. It is. Yeah, this is another window, another calendar. Yeah, I need to be careful out here because I can't show you my things. Yeah, look at that window as well. Look at that. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at the grass as well. That's my garden. That is. There's the shed. Yeah, and guess what? I'm playing Wii Sports Result right now. 100-pin bowling. Yeah, literally look at this. I literally just noticed it a second ago. It's like a snowstorm. I was like, oh god, I'll film this. And then just look at this. Yeah, holy cow. yeah, look at it. It's actually it's settling over there, look. If you can't see. Oh my god, look at this. I can't believe there's actually a snowstorm in April. This is crazy. Yeah, there's cars on the thing there. Yeah, I want to be careful just going to a room. Yeah, look at that as well. Look at that. It's settling on that guy's house as well, look. Oh my god. Look at this. Yeah, it's settling on other parts of the roofs, look. Look at that. Settling everywhere. I don't think you'll be able to see there. Yeah, look out there, look guys. Look at that. Yeah, all the trees have got snow on them, look at that. There's snow in the woods. Look at that. Yeah, and the thing's really wet there. It's starting to settle there. Yeah, I keep zooming in the camera though, I do. Oh my god, look. Oh my gosh. Look at the car. Yeah, the car, man, look at that. Yeah, and there's the top of our garage, look. And other ones. Yeah, I thought, oh god, I'm going to film this right away, because there's actually a snowstorm right now. I might film this and put it on YouTube. Oh my god. Look at all this. Yeah, this is actually April too, as well. Yeah, it's already snowed about, I don't know, 3 times already. Today. Yeah, and it's all been melting on the floor, look. Yeah, it's literally this crazy and wet, it's literally settling. Yeah, this is only round my street, though, this is. Only round my street. And not very much where else. Yeah, sorry guys, that's just my boiler thing, that is. Yeah, and there's more snow on that car there. You can't really see the snow, can you, because it's white, look. And then... Yeah, look how wet that part is there. Yeah, it's been snowing there literally all day, it has. Not all day, though, but most parts. But I can't believe there's actually a snowstorm in April. Look at this. Yeah, this is crazy, this is. Yeah, this is literally crazy. Yeah, I need to stop the video now, really. Yeah, I'll give you one more look. Yeah, I think the best place where they got snow is there, look. That house there. Yeah, and it's already starting to melt on there. Oh, look at that. There's actually snow on my dog lights in the garden, look. Snow on there. Yeah, there's snow on that sewer there, or the underground part. Yeah, and you can see where it's all coming down from there, look. Yeah, I bet you literally can't believe this when you're watching this, that there's actually a snowstorm in April. Yeah, it's all over the windows, look. Yeah, I don't know how many times I've been saying look in this video. Yeah, it's just crazy, just look at this. I just don't believe it. A snowstorm in April, it's crazy. Yeah, I love you're continuously hearing the music from there. So, what do you think of this snowstorm? Is it excellent? Is it bad? Do you think snow's awesome? I don't know. Just tell me what you think, really, of the video. And, so, that's all I have to say, really. So, bye. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio. See ya.